Hey folks, big time rain today, but it's all been offshore. We saw spotty showers move through the eastern part of the valley earlier, but for the most part, the big stuff has stayed away. And it may do that again tomorrow, I think, although I think the chance is going to go up a little bit tomorrow as the moisture kind of fills in across the valley a little bit. Still the flood watch, or flood warning rather, in effect until 9:30 tonight. Same areas have been under a flood warning for more than a week, although that area has shrunk just a little bit. But as you heard earlier, still a lot of road closures in that area. Future track suggests that tonight stays pretty quiet across the area. There's midnight and patchy clouds overnight. During the daytime tomorrow, that thunderstorm looks a little bigger than what we would probably see. There could be an isolated thunderstorm or two. Again, the chance tomorrow is at about 30%. Thing is, if it does fall, it could be very heavy. Go forward to then the 4th of July. Thursday, it looks mostly sunny. It looks rather breezy, and it looks rather warm. Without any rain in the area, without much cloud cover, temperatures are going to be back up close to 100 once again, at least into the upper 90s. And Friday, about the same. Rain chances pretty much evaporate after we get through tomorrow. And that chance tomorrow at about 30%. But again, if it rains, it could be heavy. But then it moves on and it gets out of here, and the chance of rain is gone after that, mainly for the foreseeable future. We don't see more big rainmakers coming after this. You can see the clouds still moving south to north. Biggest rain has been offshore all day, tracking some showers and storms over in Mexico to the west. And I think we'll see clouds tonight, but rainfall will be hard to find. It'll be very, very spotty if there's anything out there at all. But again, to the east, to the west, there is rain. It's good to be in the middle where there isn't anything right now, kind of in the donut hole. Look to the north, some showers and thunderstorms showing up in North Texas as well. A lot of the state will see rain as we head into the holiday. We, though, will be in the clearing process because an upper air low finally begins to lift out. Still trigger some moisture tomorrow. Still could trigger that shower thunderstorm, but after tomorrow, it's gone. Rain chances move northward with it as the high kind of bridges the gap. A high near El Paso, a high near New Orleans, and they kind of build together, and that squeezes all the moisture out, and we just end up hot and dry from that point on. In fact, the high gets closer to us, builds in on top of us, and that makes it probably hotter and completely rain-free by the time we get to the weekend. Completely rain-free. These are the currents. 87 in Harlingen, 86 Port Isabel, 91 McAllen. Rio Grande City still at 99 degrees. Overnight tonight, we drop down to about 80. That's it. So a warm and humid night, and then tomorrow back in the 90s again, about 95 Raymondville, 96 Harlingen, McAllen's 97, winds out of the south-southeast at about 10 to 20. The normal high is 95 this time of year, and tomorrow we'll be right at that. On Thursday, 97, and on Friday, 98. Probably not going to threaten the records, but we will be a little bit above average for the second half of the week. At the coast, winds out of the southeast about 10 to 20 knots. The bay, a little bit choppy. UB very high. Small craft operators urged to use caution. There is a moderate risk of rip currents. There are 2 tides for tomorrow. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. Stray shower mainly near the coast, a low of 80 tonight. Yep, back to 80 for a low. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Your chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 30%. Here's a look at the next 3 days, and we got that 30% chance tomorrow. Then it's just windy and hot Thursday, and then breezy and hot, and all the way through the next 7 days. Temperatures 97, 98 each day, very close to 100. Nighttime lows upper 70s, near 80 degrees. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.